could go on for days and days, yeah, I do the most. Wait.
I'm up for Eddie, I'm up. I don't got no time to relate.
I'm beating her back. She is singing my song.
I just want to show y'all something real quick. Today, this morning, I was walking through my grapevine trellis, and one of the kids' birdhouses we made, the back fell off. I just stuck up there for just for show, but a bird occupied it. Scared the heck out of me. So this is a bird nest from last year. Let's see. Can't tell, but I think she's in there. There's a little bird in this right here. They nesting in the back of it because I guess it's keeping them safe. Love my trellis. My thing was extend this trellis further out, but my babe had another idea he wanted to put on top of here. But I'll work on it next year. Let's take a look and a step back at the garden. I'll be harvesting some apples soon because they will get bigger than that. I gotta put them in a bigger pot. So I'm not putting them in a bigger pot next year, but the apples have got bigger since then. I will be picking these soon and making a dessert out of it. Ain't that so awesome? And the grapes are doing really good. The muscadines, so they put out anyway. But my first year, this year, 2021, getting purple grapes. These are the purple variety grapes right here. And look at a little bunch right there. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to cover these up. I'm actually excited to see these grapes. Might produce a small bunch this year, but next year I should get more. Yeah, I had cut this trellis, these grapes, I cut it back all the way back because I know it was going to get crazy for the summer. When I say I cut it back, y'all, I cut it like to about right here. And I gotta train it now. This piece is sticking out. I gotta weave it in or cut it off because it's trying to reach out and touch everything now. From my yours to yours, I'm Pat Smith. I'm so out of here.